I suppose. First off, why am I cutting this pasture? Well, all of our fields get cut at least once a year, either for hay or clipping a pasture like this, with two goals. The first is to stimulate regrowth of the plants for the fall grazing season, and the second is to help keep the weeds down. I've found it benefits the pastures greatly. I prefer using a sickle bar mower, even though it's old technology, because it lays the grass down right in place. It doesn't create any kind of a windrow or a bunch of grass, and it's soothing. Running the sickle bar is enjoyable. What a beautiful day to mow. Oh.